skate holder. I gotta set the stone here first. Watch, bud. So for hockey, this little thing is a diamond tip on it. Carves the groove for the stone. So a 1/2 inch.
I'm recording, just so you know.
You gotta watch. I'm gonna turn your face. You gotta watch your face, please. There's gonna be a lot of stuff blowing around in a minute.
What's this pink thing?
That's another stone for figure skates.
Can I
Watch.
touch it?
Touch it. Go ahead. Okay.
Spins.
Back up, guys.
Okay.
It's gonna be loud. Watch out for Sawyer, bud. Don't step on Sawyer. When a skate is sharp, it means there's a groove in the middle. And that's what makes the groove. So now first I use this to flatten your skate. It's all flat now. See that?
Yeah, it's
No
smooth.
groove. We'll test it with this one.
Works smart.
Make sure that the groove's in the middle. Front one's pretty good. See the little mark I made on him? Should be in the middle of the blade, right?
Right there.
And the one on the other side. This one's a little off, so I gotta adjust that a little bit. Look at this. Check it. See how our groove is. We're right down the middle. That's gonna be a perfectly sharpened skate. All done.